And Teddy is exploring the space for the home cinema. It will be truly underground. Here we are in plot 4. This is the space for the bedroom below the living room. And over there will be the swimming pool. Here's the staircase coming down, and this will be the view from the bedroom downstairs. Not too bad. You would even have a tiny bit of Koh Samui and showing view. Swimming pool will go all the way here, almost until the retaining wall. 15 meters long. The footings for the swimming pool just started in January. Massive retaining walls behind. And here will be the footings for the living room. Now we are going up to plot 3. The parking area of plot 4 will still be the biggest challenge. Lots of rocks and a steep slope. Another perspective of plot 4. Plot 3. Bedroom below the swimming pool. Here will be the staircase going up to the living room and master bedroom. Another bedroom downstairs. And Teddy is exploring the space for the home cinema. It will be truly underground. Here we can see the bedroom below the swimming pool in plot 2. And we've just started to install the support for the swimming pool. We'll enter the bedroom through here. And also have a nice view. Almost every morning we explore the construction site. This will be the space for the swimming pool and plot 2, living room where we stand right now. And the bedroom building is where Teddy is right now. Usually Usually we would go up the stairs to the storage area, but now we are going to plot 1 first. Yesterday concrete was poured in those retaining walls. So now the retaining wall that we built 1.5 years ago, and this part of our house is connected, holding back this entire mountainside. Downstairs will be the foyer, and I'm standing just a little bit lower than where the living room and swimming pool will be. Overlooking the master bedroom rooftop. Teddy! Teddy! Let's go! Let's go! Up! Let's go! Morning when the fence is locked, we go behind the office.